Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make cabbage noodles. Start by removing the core and slicing the cabbage into thin noodle-like strips. Salt the strips lightly and let them rest to draw out excess moisture, then pat dry. Heat oil in a pan and cook the cabbage quickly to retain some bite. Finish by tossing with your favorite sauce, herbs, and a squeeze of lemon for brightness. Prepare the cabbage with care to ensure great texture later. Trim the core and separate leaves, then slice into thin, uniform ribbons using a sharp tool. Salt the ribbons briefly to release excess moisture and press them between paper towels to dry. This reduces steaming and helps the cabbage sear nicely in the pan. Consistent thickness keeps cooking times predictable and ensures each strand resembles a noodle when served. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. They seal well, stack neatly, and save fridge space when storing cabbage noodles or leftover sauce. I use them to portion lunches and prevent spills during transport. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Choose a cooking method that matches the texture you want. For a firmer bite, sauté cabbage noodles over high heat in a hot pan for just a few minutes. If you prefer softer noodles, steam them briefly until tender but not mushy. To add caramelized notes and a bit of depth, roast cabbage ribbons on a sheet pan with oil and salt. Finish with sauce or aromatics to complement the chosen method.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.